Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Jessie Love here, and I'm back with another channel. Today I'm here with my brother, NONSTOPGAMEZ14, and we're playing another obby, so let's get started. So my brother already started because he got to start without me. He is so naughty. What do you think, brother? Okay, so I'm making it off. You see, he already started. He came all the way there. This is kind of a fake obby thing. So, see, this is just a fake kind of obby thing. But the red things are only the things what are the things what you die from. I can't even talk because today I played non-stop. Um, all these things, all I play just see, I guys, I just can't talk. You see me? You can't even understand what I'm talking about. So I'm literally just I played all day. Adopt me with my brother, and I have about like 400 of the money. I'm saving for a new house for the city house. Need a way bigger house. And today I bought a new house, and my brother bought it too. So on Tara's video, I'm gonna show you my house tour and the house what I bought. So my brother is behind me. I'm first, and he started first, so I don't get it. How can you first but you come last? Like I don't get it. Okay, wait. Wait a second. Wait for me. You have to wait. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Jeez. Okay, I did this. This is like so easy. This is like easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. How did you not make this? Oh, so what did you not make? Is it like? Oh, see, I get you. It's laggy. It's laggy for me too. Guys, so we're gonna. Oh, bro, I just jumped. Wait, bro. Wait for me. What the flip? Ah! How to make that? I just flippin' died, and I just flippin' fell through the hole. Sorry, guys. I know I may be thing, and you may be stage, and you maybe think that I'm a big idiot and a big cheater, but I don't care. So just back off, haters. Whoever hates me. Maybe I act weird, but I don't care because I have my own life, my own rules, and no one bosses me around. Like once I was playing a Dusty, that was like yesterday. Yesterday I recorded, but that was on the recording thing, and there was this kid called Mayor, I think. No, Morgan. Yeah, that's his Roblox thing. So you better report that idiot. It was a kid. It was a kid, and he started bullying me. So he's pretty like weird, and he act like weird. I just asked him, "Can I be his parent?" And he said no. So I don't know. I didn't even make that jump. I don't know how. Whee! Okay, now what do you do here? You just climb up. Okay. I'm trying my best. Where are you? Wait, can you slow down a bit? Why? Because, like, I want to be with you. This is hard. This is hard. What's hard? This is hard. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you just slow down? Look where you are. Finally, tomato. Okay, this is easy. Okay, wait, I'm nearly there. Oh, jeez, I just fell through. Okay. Oh, bro, I'm gonna fall. Okay. Sorry, guys. I know you maybe think I'm a big cheater, and you can say all you want, right, brother? Yeah. But we're the savage guys, and oh, I forgot that there's the red thing. Ah! Oh, bro, I'm ready. Okay, what is this? Can I touch it? Okay, that's feels like you're gonna fall. Oh, this is easy. No, okay, I forgot to jump at the last thing. At this. Oh, you. Oh yeah. Now I'm ahead. Fidget spinners! Look at this fidget spinners! This fidget spinners! That was quite easy. You can just run for this one too. You can just run for this one. Because you run for this one. These things are easy. Wait. Oh, you're not allowed to touch the red. Okay, this is quite a bit tricky. I'm not gonna lie. It is a bit tricky. Okay, I did it. Okay, this one, the rainbow thing, it's it. What it is? Yeah. Yep. Right. Oh my gosh! Look at me! Look at me! I'm like, and I jumped and I. How can I not make this? I don't know. See, it's going out, so you better run. Like fast. Better run fast. Better run fast. Better run fast. Okay. So these things are like pizzas, like mini pizzas. So guys, if you are asking me some questions on what am I playing, well, I am playing on a computer, and my brother is playing on a freaking tablet. Has support by oh, we have another computer, but we don't have it. Shit! You can run for up. You don't follow. Wait, can you slow down, please? Look where you are. I can't even make this one. This is for these boxes. Is it not every second one? No. It's not every second. Oh, this, this, yes, yes, yes. What? I'm just getting confused here at these blocks. This is so easy. What? See, guys, it just went automatically. I was not even pressing nothing. Okay, now, finally. Okay, so which is the first one? Is it this? Yeah. And then it's this? No. What is this now? This. Here? I hate you! Oh, present. I like this. Oh, what kind of one's this? Oh, that one. You could just jump that. Did you know? I nearly made it. See this thing? No! What the flip? Okay. Okay, guys, I tried many attempts on this. So now I'm gonna try. And I'm just. I'm like, this is like quite easy parkour, right? What do you think? Okay, I went the wrong way. Okay. Okay, so you kind of just walk for the first. For the first time ever. Okay, so these are a bit tricky, but you can make them. They're not impossible. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like these cubes. So my brother is just right there. You can see him. And yeah, and guys, I think so. Guys, this is it for the video.